Okay, today I will be showing you how to hack Subway Surfers Paris Edition with Game CIH. You check out right here. And what I'm gonna do is go into Subway Surfer. And yes, I got the little blue coins. I got a limited of those. In the top corner, as you see in the top right corner. And well, let's play one round here. Okay, now which one? Oh crap, shit. Alright. Now what you wanna do is stop, resume, stop. And I'm gonna come back in here. And I was modding it, I'm sorry. So put 600, which is my distance. Alright, now go back into the game. Go a little bit more farther. Okay, so I'm in 1095. And you can put 1095. It says 2 found. So you see it's 4 bytes. What you're gonna do is just put 100 million or 1 trillion. I don't even know how much that is, but whatever. Alright, so I get back into the game and boom. So my score, it just boosted. Alright, now look at my coins. I have 37 coins. So all I'm gonna do is put 37. Go back into the game. Get a few more coins. Go back 46. So here I'm gonna put 46. Because there's 9 found. So now I'm gonna get. Now it says 49. So here I come and put 49. And boom, there it is. Now I'm gonna put 100 trillion or whatever you want to call it. Boom, there you go, you see? You have to make sure your high score is not like that's way too high, because then it's gonna be negative. And that's what you don't want. So now I'm gonna kill myself. Boom. See how many coins I got? So I got 1, 2, 2, 2, 2. There you go. Okay, so I'm gonna press the back button. Boom, you see it went negative. So I say you don't want, but you got a lot more coins now. See, I'm Abdel. Abdel Nice. And I got the highest score out of like all my friends. Mostly out of the whole world that I know of. And so that's how you hack Subway Surfers Paris. And I hope you please like and subscribe.